today I'm going to react to Jennie's new song that came out literally today. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for it for like forever. That was a very bad sentence. But yeah, I'm sorry it's kind of like crappy a little bit. Let's go. Okay, she looks amazing though. Blue outfit and blue card. So cute. Innocent and delicate. Okay. She's tired of pretending. She looks like she's tired of pretending. Okay. Her dog is so cute. She's done. Okay. Oh, that's what she's saying. Oh, now I understand. Oh my god, it's so cute. Everything is like so beautiful, by the way. Like wallpaper, outfit, her face, her body, everything's just matching. So cute. Like everything's so well shot. Okay. Oh my god, that's really pretty. Okay, I did not expect like the rhythm and all the whatever, the song to be like this. The song is so much better than my expectation. Okay. Everything is so well shot, by the way, like the pool and everything. Ooh, like the thing and this like beautiful looking shirt or skirt. I don't even know how to talk. Dress. So beautiful. And her cleavage though. Oh my god. Yeah. Her expression is on point. Okay. That's cute. Oh! She said, I'm a shining solo. Oh my god, I legitimately thought she said, bitch, I'm a solo. That's what I thought. Okay, so that's not what it is. Because I was dying over the fact that she said, bitch, I'm a solo, you know? Because I was like, I don't know, man. But look at her face when she said it. So... We're just gonna watch that again. Okay, oh my god, she looks so badass! This dance though, everything. Wow, she's so sexy and like knows how to move her body too. Yeah, this is really cool. Like her taking off her clothes and putting it in the washing machine gives off a very like modern vibe. I don't know why, but like very like it looks very trendy. And I don't know, man. What am I even saying? She looks bomb, by the way. Like, oh, I used to be the GOAT. That's what she said. I used to be the GOAT. What's that? What's that mean? Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. You're sitting on your feelings and sitting on my throne. The flow though, so good. She raps so well, both in Korean and English. She looks amazing. She raps so well. She sings so well. She dances well too. Oh my god. I like that. I like that face. I like that. This face too. I like it. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that face. That I don't get what you look like. I hate you type of face. Oh my god, sorry, I just cursed. What is that? Oh, wait, is that your man? I like everything about this though, like her face and her outfit, her makeup, on point. YG Entertainment killing it. Okay. This is my favorite part. Like that dance and the firework and what? Is that even real? This like that dance thing kind of reminds me of IU's 23. Just I don't know why. It just reminds me of that. Replay. Her dance, so cute. I like this dance. Just something about it. It makes me feel like so empowering for some reason, and it feels like it's like feminist too, and like yeah. Wow. It says not even something. Not even a distant memory. Better off without you. I like the wings she has on. It's just so cute, and like her smile is amazing. Oh my god, that her voice is like so good. Ooh, Solo. This thing, oh my god, I like this beat drop, or I don't know what if this is even a beat drop, but like I like this part of the song, like dun, dun, dun. Okay, sorry, this part. Yeah. So they have different dance moves each time, like when this part's come around. Is that so? She looks amazing though. Let me just so proud of her, and yeah, just a great song. Man, it's just a great song. Blackpink in your area, everybody. Okay, yeah, just a random video. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching my reaction video. Okay, bye bye.